How to check in on the Southwest Airlines app. In this video, I will walk you through the updated process for 2025, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Download or open the Southwest Airlines app on your phone, and then log into your account. Step 2. Go to Trips. Tap the Trips tab at the bottom and you will see upcoming flight once within 24 hours of departure. Step 3. If your flight is eligible, you will see a check-in button. Tap it exactly 24 hours before your flight to get a better boarding group. Step 4. Make sure that your name and flight details are correct, and then hit check-in now. Step 5. Once you are checked in, you will receive a digital boarding pass. Save it to your wallet or take a screenshot for easy access at the gate. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.